Migrating product master data from a legacy system to SAP S/4HANA is rarely straightforward. Product data is distributed across multiple legacy data tables, formats differ, and the structure rarely matches what Migration Cockpit expects. Before you migrate, the data needs to be prepared. That's exactly what DataLark is designed to deliver. We start with product master data exported from the legacy system into Excel. The file already contains merged material attributes and descriptions, but in this form, it's not yet safe for migration. So the first step happens in DataLark. The Excel file is loaded into an SQL-based staging layer. This locks the structure, validates the schema, and removes the risks of working directly on spreadsheets. From here on, the original data stays unchanged. It becomes the trusted source for the entire migration flow. Next, DataLark prepares SAP-aligned staging tables. The data is split into two structures: basic product data and product descriptions. Here, DataLark standardizes product types, units of measure, and language keys, applies validation rules, and filters out records that don't meet SAP requirements before they ever reach S/4HANA. The result is clean, structured data that already looks like Migration Cockpit input. Now we move to the final step. DataLark works directly with the SAP Migration Cockpit template. The template is read as is, including all objects, tabs, and required fields. Data from the staging tables is mapped directly into the Migration Cockpit template. Core product attributes come from the basic data structure, while language-specific texts are filled from the descriptions data. Only the required fields are populated, while the SAP template itself remains exactly as delivered. The result is a Migration Cockpit ready file, fully compliant, fully traceable, and ready to load into SAP S/4HANA. This is how DataLark turns complex legacy product data into a controlled, repeatable S/4HANA migration flow. No manual rework, no guesswork, just clean, SAP-ready data. DataLark, making SAP S/4HANA migrations predictable and reliable.